statement for the following counties in Illinois: Bond, Macoupin, and Montgomery. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 10 inches for portions of south central and southwest Illinois. Portions of east central and southeast Missouri from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous.
Oh, jeez.
Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes.
First warranty of the year, let's go!